There is this scam currently circulating on the internet, and you really need to stay vigilant. They've been using faces of these celebrities you really know, while these celebrities know nothing about it. My brother here, Bright Citizen, is going to give us more info on it.
So today's on is going to be a quick one. We are looking at Eclipse N, and Eclipse N is a scam. They've been running ads on Facebook recently a lot, and I was like, let me just come here and give you guys a heads up. Yes, so I'll just be speaking both languages to help those who don't get the tree well. Eclipse N, we almost had with the prepare Facebook. Na a scam. Scam on person who send this scam on say on me or double scam. First thing I was saying no crime when you so say you earn 12,000 to 28,000 a day. Into when you when you now ha ebe try push you no I intend them. Now do see come on no me dwane say who. I think last year by this time about could be by me but me body. And also be uncomfortable sir. Into when you look at red flag number 1 or say sports remain. That's one person I'm say why in term sa akunye da honesa or more arts no they claim say and na for use na limited say obi aba so be say Ghana economy is all lies. Later I'll do a review on some of those posts they did, but today now I've tried to check because Eclipse and I say who do me apart from way na umia ads for Facebook edo weba na no eche meba so abeka nsem na wa ho nyina asem ba ku bi so ho a search wo Google no mu ba I know say Eclipse N sa ba we no site na well organized. So first one I'm the chair on so all policies ho ne help policies no ne terms na umia edo weba first page or say register. And ideally, in any proper size, at least you should know the terms before you register. But this one doesn't have any page like that. All they have is this landing page. And after is what URL na any Eclipse any share. So the domain name we say baggieshop.uk and or create subdomain bi or some then or the create sub page into any full web page ebi but who register we very direct to go baby for ma try and later may another video and so I will follow up. But the other one near shisheni na no call a year or say be about this platform bones and who information bed ebeba kama. Let's say we no matter tombo say I didn't make us on tombo say and say I don't know say we yet legit yet, but from information I'm hearing, even the older one for the scam page way older than this particular page. It said in America, na say page na FN na ya shisha bibia kama no and no older than this particular page. Okay, sorry, we know the bad page near older than the nicely organized page. So I'm here to sign in both to see the interface na inside no. But then one thing I want you to also take note and say I try to check out only say 2 pages way. The first one where I was saying who say me say baggies shopping and no say uncle for way and a domain on the tongue. Into my email for more information actually. Let me follow up on this because ebimu akwa musikako. Na afei so dey hear me person here say date we. Say date we. Aye date omo create here. 20th May. And omo create say Eclipse N way. Na wall screen so. But the other one Eclipse N way no. And no omo create no just last month. Last month September 17th and omo create. And say bi ana Eclipse N way no kofo hu say nye you know macro creative way kama no mashara ya official send at least uba akọ no maka we scammer obe ba ha na be ka say oh mako hu Eclipse N eno de me na me susu ahwe say bi asa na ade ne tie dia enti ne me be so hu ni say bibia I promise o say o discover bebre eto baby when you scabby dark road also help me because and once you must send you 4,000 cities commerce uncle for you and I face page rain Johnny because I say make away once or more the faces are on him celebrities are on him at all just to push people say on be register but say you more on celebrities we no more hwe e change so e short video a make sure more de omodin ebi say uncle for no support ya omo nyina ba Facebook abeka so omo ni omo ni hwe enti say oba ha say bia bohu Eclipse and ad bu baby obi ka ho asem say obenye ska enti opese okọ try there meselo hwe to wase en fa sika anko to baby a onti ase na omo de okọ a ebe say aho asem nyina ka okay enti akire no yeah, best the other one no not you're comparing to details. Instead of me catch on from I have seen in research now me here, the second one no, is now registered in your author domain no, or say or you free Kazakhstan as I say. But I'm here to still try and trace and get those who actually own this site and kasa. Inti Pure so because obenye scan no ya ti ase hu ni odo sika erem asa no wako Eclipse N for now there me say ye we and I say we dwane because imi no nyina no intimi nkyere ade ko poti a omodi scan ye nti amobe ma sa ska bebebe.
These Ponzi schemes are not going to stop, so it's up to you to stay vigilant.